Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel World of Software Testing. So in this lecture we are going to cover the ad hoc testing type in detail. So we'll cover what is ad hoc testing and when to perform ad hoc testing, what are the benefits of ad hoc testing we get in the software testing. So far we have covered different testing types such as end-to-end testing, then the monkey testing, what are the types of monkey testing, gorilla testing. So we have covered a lot of testing types in our previous lectures. So please make sure that you have watched all those videos on these different testing types, because these are the very important testing types and getting asked in the interview questions. So make sure you are well prepared before going for any interview with such software testing concepts. So if you have not watched, you can go to the playlist on our YouTube channel and make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel for such videos. So let's start with the ad hoc testing here. So ad hoc testing is an informal or unstructured software testing type that aims to break the testing process in order to find possible defects or errors at an early possible stage. So basically the ad hoc testing is an informal way, an unstructured software testing way. So there is no defined structured way of software testing here in case of ad hoc testing. And here the tester just need to have the domain knowledge and he can perform the ad hoc testing. So basically based on the earlier past experience, the software testers can perform the ad hoc testing with the use of error guessing testing technique. So we have already covered the error guessing technique in our previous lectures. So in error guessing, the tester only should have the domain knowledge and have the past experience. So based on that past experience, he can perform the ad hoc testing. So basically the error guessing, make sure error guessing can be done by people having enough domain knowledge and the experience. Okay, so ad hoc testing is done randomly and it is usually an unplanned activity which does not follow any documentation and test design techniques to create test cases. So here we are not following any documentation, any test design techniques for creating the test cases. We are just doing the error guessing. Based on the error guessing, based on the past experience, we are performing the ad hoc testing. So this testing, so as we have mentioned, ad hoc testing does not require or does not follow any documentation. So let's say you are testing one application and there is no documentation or no planning, no process to be followed. Then since the ad hoc testing aims at finding the defects through random approach without any documentation, defect will not be mapped to the test cases, and hence so it sometimes becomes very difficult to reproduce the defect as there are no test steps or requirement mapped to it. So we are not able to reproduce it whenever we found any defect in case of ad hoc testing. So it becomes very difficult to assess the issue. When to perform ad hoc testing? So basically the ad hoc testing can be performed when there is a limited time to do elaborative testing. And also let's say if you don't have any test documentation or any process to be followed, then in that case we can perform the ad hoc testing with the help of error guessing technique. And but definitely the tester should have the domain knowledge. So usually the ad hoc testing is performed after the formal test execution, and if time permits, the ad hoc testing can be done on the system. So it will be effective only if the tester is knowledgeable of the system under test. So whatever the application we are testing, the tester should have knowledge about it. So let's see some of the types of ad hoc testing here. So there are three types: buddy testing, pair testing, and monkey testing. So the first one is buddy testing. So what is buddy testing? So in this, basically the two buddies means two people manually work on identifying the defects in the same module. So there is the module is defined and two buddies will work on that same module for identifying the defects. So mostly the one buddy will be from the development team and one will be from the testing team. So there will be two buddies, one from development and one from testing. So buddy testing helps the tester develop better test cases, and development team can also make the design changes early. So based on the defects we found out in the buddy testing, then based on that, development team can make the design changes early. So this testing usually happens after the unit testing completion, buddy testing. So this is about the buddy testing. Overall, we can have two buddies, one from development and one from the testing team, and in collaboration they perform this buddy testing. The second is the pair testing. So in pair testing, again, two testers are assigned modules. So the module is defined, and two testers are working on that assigned module, share ideas, and work on the same machines to find the defects. One person can execute the test, and another person can take notes on the findings. So it is nothing but only one system where the two testers will work. So out of those two testers, one will perform the actual execution of those test cases, and one can take the notes or the findings based on that test execution. The roles of the person can be a tester and a scribe during the testing. So this is nothing but one is a tester and one is a scribe who will take the notes or the findings on that test execution. And then the next is a monkey testing, which we have already covered in our previous lectures. So again, if you have not watched, you can go back to our playlist and watch all those monkey testing videos. So monkey testing is nothing but randomly testing the product or the application without any test cases with the goal to break the system. So this is nothing but about the monkey testing. So we have covered this, what is ad hoc testing, what are the types of ad hoc testing, and when to perform ad hoc testing. So what are the benefits of ad hoc testing? So basically, if we have a limited time to do the elaborate testing, then in that case we can perform the ad hoc testing easily and can find out the defects in the software application. And the second one is in ad hoc testing, so we are not doing any elaborative testing. So we are just performing some random test on the application to break the system and find out the defects early in the development, so that can be fixed early in the development phase. So that's it all about the ad hoc testing. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.